Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. That was my Kramer entrance. I don't know if you got that. Today's shave will be, little floater right there. Today's shave will be an art of shaving shave with the Feather Artist Club Japanese style straight razor with this super grippy handle, easy to hold on to even with wet fingers. Feather has their own proprietary blades for these razors. This is the Pro Guard, which if you're a beginner, this is what I recommend for you. It's got a little wire guard around the blade. It's a little more forgiving. So I'll perform a shave and show you how it's done. I'll show you how all these art of shaving products work. It'll be a 4-step process. First, the art of shaving PreShave Sandalwood. Then the art of shaving cream from the jar. Lathered up in the Shave Nation ceramic lather bowl. Just gonna scoop a little bit out with my spoon, my mini scoop spoon, right into the lather spot. And then we're gonna swirl the Proraso made by Omega shaving brush in the bowl and generate some nice lather. We're gonna finish that up with the Shave Nation wide stick alum block. And then after that, the art of shaving 2-in-1 aftershave balm and daily moisturizer. Excellent finish to the shave. All right, let's get to work. But wait, the only thing that's missing, I don't have any beardage. You can't do a shaving video without beardage, right? Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, that's more like it. Sufficient beardage for a nice straight razor shave. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do before I wet my fingers, I'm gonna load the blade into this Feather Artist Club razor. It's very simple, you can do it without touching it. All you need to do is squeeze the spine and then insert the pin from the injector into the hole in the side of the razor and then slide the blade forward like so. Just slide it forward and it will drop right in place just like that. Now the razor is loaded and ready to go. Now I'll commence to condition my beard properly. Hot water. The first step, the art of shaving, pre-shave oil, right here. Remove the cap, just a little bit into the fingertips, it doesn't take much. Massage that right into the beard. Oh, lovely sandalwood scent, smells really nice. This will soften and condition the beardage to prepare it for your shave. And you'll take your shaving cream and apply that directly on top. Right here. Remove this little protective lid. I'll take my Shave Nation lather bowl right here, warm it under the hot water. It's ceramic, so it will retain that heat. Got my little mini scoop spoon. Just scoop a spoonful out like so. Drop that into the bottom of the lather bowl. Got it on my thumb, but it'll look like that, something like that. It's a little hard to get off the spoon because it's very sticky. Now this is the Proraso boar brush. Let's soak this under the warm water as well. Shake out most of the water and then go directly in here and start swirling like so. Just take those tips, push them down into the lather spot, down at the bottom of the bowl. Let's add a little bit of water. As you can see, just a few seconds, lather starts coming up around the edges. Scoop that back down to the bottom, right into that lather spot, and then keep swirling till you generate enough lather for several passes, which doesn't take very long. Already got a decent amount. We'll do a little more water. This smells really nice. Very nice sandalwood scent. Not super overwhelming, not super strong. Just a nice pleasant scent. There we go. Look at all that lather just spilling around the edges. Plenty of lather right there. Okay, you apply that directly over your pre-shave. Nice, thick, creamy. Fantastic scent. Plenty of lather here for several passes. I could have used even less shaving cream. Maybe fill the spoon halfway. And some of the thickest lather I've seen in a while. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe the lips. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Here it is, the Feather Artist Club Japanese straight razor, and I am using the Pro Guard blade. It's the one that has a wire guard around it. If you're a beginner, this is a great place for you to start to get yourself introduced to straight razor shaving. The blade has a wire guard, so it's a little more forgiving than the professional or the super professional. And I find that this razor is very easy to handle. I kind of just scoop and roll. If you need to roll to get the angle to conform down the chin or under the nose, you're just rolling it like a pencil. Just like that, between your thumb and forefinger, you're just rolling it and conforming to that angle. So I'll start on the right side. My fingers are a little wet still, but this is a very grippy, this rubber grip, very easy to hold on to. Let's cut the sideburn. Work your way down. Got a little hair there from the brush, a little boar bristle. When it becomes filled, rinse it off. Rinse this off very easily. So it was right hand on the right side. Let's do left hand on the left side, cut that sideburn. And you can just look over your fingers to see the sideburn. So you get a nice straight line. Rinse that. Chin area. Go right down the neckline. And this is where you just twirl it, spin it like a pencil to follow that angle. Rinse. Chin this side, left hand, left side. Down the neckline. Rolling it to conform to that angle. Following the curve of the chin. Beautiful. Rinse that. Now the mustache. Right side, you're coming in straight and scooping, rolling downward. You can inflate some air into the cheek if need be to flatten it. The flatter the surface, the better. Rinse. Left side. Very good. First pass complete. Just a quick rinse. Take your brush and your bowl. Let's relather for another pass. Excellent shaving cream. Look at how nice and thick. Nice cushioning. Lathered very easily. Figure 8. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways again. The first pass was north to south with the grain. Now we'll go across the grain. Just on a bit of an angle. You can stretch if need be. Rinse that. Other side. Inflate the cheek if you need to. Rinse. Clean the cleft a little bit. Okay, rinse that. Now on the neck, against the grain. Right hand on the left side. Rinse. Left hand on the right side. Very good. Rinse that. A quick rinse. Let's lather up the cheeks. I'll show you how to go against the grain on the cheeks so you can get them super baby smooth, like a baby's bottom. Now you're going to go right hand, left side, stretch the skin. If you have trouble stretching your skin, take your alum block. This is the Shave Nation wide stick alum block. Remove the cap, glide your fingers across it. Now you'll be able to grip it. You'll be able to grip your skin much easier. Just work your way up. You know, like I said, you're going to roll it and conform to any angles. Work your way up. This against the grain pass right here really gets you super smooth. This is the barbershop shave right there. Very smooth. Rinse. Other side, same thing. Rub your fingers on the block. Stretch the skin, work your way up. Excellent. Very nice. Okay, rinse. A final rinse of the face with hot water and then cold water. Now take your Shave Nation wide stick alum block under the cold water. Roll it up a little bit. Just glide that all around the areas you shaved. Excellent finish to the shave. This is alum. It's an astringent. It'll seal off any small nicks or weepers if you got any. And when you shave with a straight razor, it's common to get a couple little nicks or weepers that might happen, but this will seal them off. Tighten the skin. Excellent finish to the shave right here. Alum comes from the earth. It's a natural product. Put the cap back on. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Then pat the face dry. You're just leaving it slightly damp. Now we'll go with the Art of Shaving 2-in-1 aftershave balm, also sandalwood, right here. Remove the cap. Couple squirts into the fingertips, like so. Massage that together directly into the skin. Same scent as the shaving cream and the pre-shave. Soothing, calming, conditioning for the skin. And it's a balm, so it will give you some protection throughout the day. You can do your forehead as well, as long as you don't break out. If you do, then refrain from doing the forehead. Excellent finish. Very nice finish to the shave. So check it out. I went from several days beard growth to baby smooth on the cheeks, mustache, chin, neck, everything baby smooth. Did I miss a spot? Oh, that's from the towel. Got a little black thing from the towel right there. We're good. So there it is. The Art of Shaving Shave. Art of Shaving PreShave Sandalwood. Art of Shaving Shaving Cream Sandalwood from the tub. Also comes in a tube. And then the final is the Art of Shaving 2-in-1 aftershave balm and daily moisturizer Sandalwood as well. With the Feather Artist Club Japanese style straight razor and the ProGuard blade. Lather mixed up very easily in the Shave Nation ceramic lather bowl along with this Proraso boar brush. It's made by Omega for Proraso. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos now, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.